Hey guys, welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to earn money from YouTube. So let's get started. You can make money from YouTube as a content creator, but it's not easy as it seems. Because every single minute 500 hours of videos are uploaded on YouTube across the world. So the competition is a little bit tough and making money online becomes more challenging. In this video we will share some strategies so that you can start your earning from YouTube. Become a YouTube partner and earn from ads. Once you become a YouTube partner, you can earn money from placing ads before the video, or you can place Google AdSense banner ads. However, there are some guidelines and conditions to become a certified YouTube partner. As per the YouTube ad rules, you must have minimum 4,000 video watch hours on your channel in last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. However, it's not necessary that you only make revenue from YouTube by placing ads. Let's go further in this video and see some different ways of earning from YouTube. Use affiliate link on YouTube. Promoting affiliate links can be a huge earning opportunity for YouTube channel. For example, if you recommend a product and user visits your link to buy, then you'll start earning commissions. You can place these links in your description and speak about your link in video content. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, we have already made a video on this topic. The link is given in the description. Another way of earning from YouTube is brand sponsorship. Brand sponsorship is one of the best way to earn money from YouTube. This is also known as influencer marketing. If you have a YouTube channel and it's popular and gets good amount of views, then you can earn through sponsored videos. In this process, a company pays you to promote their brand product on your videos, but for this you have to mention your email address on your YouTube channel so that brand can easily get in touch with you. Another way of earning from YouTube is fan funding. YouTube partners who have reached 1,000 subscribers can enable this monetization feature on their channel. After enabling this option, a join button will appear on your channel, and you have to make transparency among your fan by explaining that what benefits they will get after taking your membership. Let's have a look on another way of earning from YouTube. It's merchandise sales. If your channel is eligible for merchandise, then you can show your official brand's merch on YouTube. To make your channel eligible for merchandise sales, you have to be 18 plus. And this requires an approved monetization of channel, and you must have a YouTube partner program. Your channel should have more than 10,000 subscribers and have not violated channel monetization policies. After all these terms and conditions of YouTube, your channel will be eligible to show your merch. So these were some popular ways to earn money from YouTube. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want us to keep posting such useful content related to blogging and YouTube, then please do not forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to our channel.